Good morning, everybody. This is Fred with Redline Auto Sports. This is our 86 Silverado. It's a factory silver truck, black interior. It's got a Vortech 350 bolt-through heads with overdrive transmission. Runs and drives really good. It's got nice 5-spoke Riddler wheels that remind me of the Koi wheels from years ago. This truck runs and drives great. It looks great from this angle, but the paint and body work is definitely amateur, and it's great for a driver, but in my opinion, I would want it painted if I was gonna try to show this truck for sure. It's got a cowl hood on it that's steel. Starts easy, runs great, looks nice under the hood. It's a factory AC truck, but as you can see, it's missing the hoses. It's serpentine pulley system, so it's easy enough to get the hoses for it. Double stacked headlights, nice grille, nice front bumper. And the truck overall has a decent look to it. Just some less than perfect spots on the body work that you really can't see in a video. The bed was rhino lined at some point. Definitely needs to have that done again. It's got some replacement gauges. She fires right up. Speedometer doesn't work, gas gauge does. These manual gauges here work. Nice dash pad, nice door panels, nice seat covers. Needs the headliner put back in it. The trim for the grille and some of the trim for the headliner is laying here behind the seat. Really nice looking seat. Really nice looking door panels. Power windows work well. Up and down easy. Power door locks, not so much. It is tilt wheel. It is overdrive transmission. Nice little truck for the money for sure. 16,000 doesn't buy a lot these days. And with nice wheels and tires, these are 20s. Sliding rear window. Strange looking tail lights. Decent back bumper, decent tailgate. Just little things that you miss, that they missed. Little dings and stuff doing the body work before they painted it. Truck has a great sound to it. It's very solid. The only rust on the truck at all is up here in these inspection panels. This is not rust. This is not a dent. This is just a weird spot in the paint. Interior is very presentable except for the headliner. She purrs like a kitten. Great running little truck. That is this 86 Silverado in a nutshell. Check us out online, www.redlineautosports.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all have a blessed and awesome day.